that, if you want to know like what pictures we
check out our Instagram profiles, so you can see there. Hi everyone, welcome back to Bon Voyage. Today we are at an amazing place. It's near Playa Buceo, which is 5 minutes walking distance from our house. So we are kind of standing in the middle with the ocean on two sides, if you can see. So it's Sunday, so we had to do some vlog for you guys for this week, and we just thought of going out. It's around 5 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and in the evening right now, and the sun will set any time. So we just came here for a walk to show you guys the amazing place here, the views, take some good pictures. That's it.
And make some nice reels.
Yeah, wind is blowing very strong. It's very cold over here. So let me show you guys the place. How cold is it?
It's freezing.
তাই জন্য জ্যাকেটের চেন খুলে স্টাইল মারছো। হ্যাঁ। You saw how beautiful the place is. This is amazing. Clear blue skies, ocean on both sides, and people generally come here. If you can see in the back, they come here for fishing and enjoying some time, having a drink of tea or coffee or mate, the local drink. So we just came here. We're gonna sit here for some time and try and enjoy the waves. We will go for a walk after this, and we'll show you some other places and stuff.
Another beach, like
the Playa Buceo. So we'll show you that. It's very cold. It's very cold. We tried sitting here for some time, taking some pictures. It's so cold we can't stay here.
We literally got froze.
Madam, একটু কেতা মেরে একটু জ্যাকেট খুলে কিছু স্টাইল মেরে ফটো দিতে হয়েছিল.
And for that, if you want to know like what pictures we
check out our Instagram profiles, so you can see there. So we are gonna walk from here, and we're gonna try and go to the beach side. Okay, the Playa Buceo side, to take some more pictures and just go for a nice walk. It's Sunday, so it's just relaxing. So come with us. Hello, we are still walking. Show them. Just turn around. So we are gonna go right up there. So that is the Zoological Museum of Uruguay. So that is closed right now. It's closed Sunday and Monday, and open rest of the week. So we are going near there. Just after you cross that is the Playa Buceo, the beach. It's
a lighthouse. There is also a lighthouse.
Yeah, so there is kind of a lighthouse which looks very good in the evening because they have so much lights and stuff. So we are gonna walk there. So come with us.
So we have reached, and as you can see behind me, this is the Zoological Museum, and they have the lighthouse also there. But it looks very pretty in the evening because there are so much light and everything. And here is the beach. This is the Playa Buceo beach, and now it's a little empty because it's almost evening, and also it's very cold like in winter time. But in summers, like it's packed. पैर रखने का भी जगह नहीं होता, इतना rush रहता है. But you can see the sea line, and it's so beautiful. The view is so beautiful. So we are gonna sit here for some time, and it's almost near sunset. So we are gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset. So come with us and let's just check out our place. थोड़ा सा नीचे जाके you can see beach start हो गया है, but it's almost empty because no one can stay here in this cold. It's so crazy cold. और हवा भी बहुत तेज चल रही है आज. So we are gonna look for a nice place. आगे भी अच्छा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, benches है where you can sit and enjoy the sunset. So we are going towards that. You can also come with us. यहाँ से बीच में जाने का रास्ता. This is the mountains are literally frozen. It's like turning blue, red and blue.
We have come back from there. You can see it's becoming very cloudy.
It can start raining.
It might start raining, so we had to come back, and it's extremely cold. Hands are all freezing.
It's 10 degrees now.
Yeah, it's gonna become 2 degrees. It's supposed to be a very cold night today. So we have started walking back towards our home, and this was just a short vlog that we wanted to do and show you the places we visit and weekends how we spend.
And also you guys can be on our channel and watch all the 30 days short series that I'm doing. It's called What I Eat in a Day, and you can see what we do like on
you can see our daily routine, and keep liking, subscribing, and post your comments if you want to see anything else. So continue to show us some love
and support.
Peace out.